We have a vision of a connected Klang Valley, a valley that's linked together in one seamless flow. A vision brought to life by the Klang Valley MRT, forming the backbone of Greater Kuala Lumpur. The completed MRT will involve the construction of 3 MRT lines. The Sungai Buloh Serdang Putrajaya line, or the MRT SSP line, is the second line in the Kvmrt. For people in the Klang Valley, this means connecting communities, connecting businesses, connecting destinations. Imagine the potential household savings and increased business opportunities gained with improved mobility. The MRT also means less traffic congestion. Less time spent on the road means more time spent with family and friends. For the nation, the SSP line will help boost the economy. It will result in multiple economic effects, from job creation and greater commercial activity, resulting from more efficient connectivity. The SSP line went through a rigorous review process prior to construction. The government carried out a feasibility study in 2012, followed by a detailed environmental impact assessment. As an infra rakyat project, input and opinion from the public and communities along the alignment was an important step to ensure the SSP line would meet the needs of the rakyat. More than 100 stakeholder engagement sessions were organized, involving local communities, businesses, non-governmental organizations, and government agencies. A public inspection roadshow was carried out from May 2015 to August 2015, and feedback was collected from 10,500 respondents across 27 locations. All this feedback was used to improve the project design and construction methods for regulatory approval. We continue to engage our stakeholders through a variety of touchpoints: the MRT information centers, MRT information kiosks, and the MRT information truck. The public can also call our 24-hour MRT call center to get updates, information, or to raise concerns. The construction of the SSP line began with a groundbreaking ceremony, which took place on 15 September 2016 at the terminus site in Putrajaya. It was officiated by Prime Minister Yang Amat Berhormat Datuk Seri Muhammad Najib Tun Abdul Razak. This marks the start of the MRT SSP line. There will be a total of 35 stations, 23 elevated, 11 underground, and a half-sunken station, which is being built both on the lower and ground levels. The SSP line will cater to all kinds of travellers, taking them from the residential areas of Sungai Buloh through to the city centre and all the way to Putrajaya. Families, students, tourists, civil servants, office workers, everyone will be able to move around the Klang Valley easily. From a total of 67 tenders, 31 have been awarded from an estimated total value of 32 billion ringgit. This includes all elevated civil and system works packages and 1 underground work package. So far, construction is progressing on schedule at all fronts. Phase 1 of the line between Kuasa Damansara to the future Kampong Batu station will be up and running by July 2021. And by July 2022, the entire line will be fully operational. The elevated length will be built on guideways supported by piers. The guideway will be constructed using pre-cast segmented box girders or cast in place. The viaducts will mostly run beside or directly above the roads. Meanwhile, the underground alignment will have tracks running through tunnels. These tunnels will be created by using huge tunnel boring machines, and some tunnel sections will also be constructed using the cut and cover method. During the construction period, road users may experience traffic congestion due to temporary road or lane closures and diversions. There are traffic management plans for each construction site to lessen inconvenience for road users and to ease congestion. When roads are closed, temporary route diversions are planned with adequate warning signs and flagmen. A dedicated emergency response team is provided by each work package contractor to cover all areas on site. Urbanization in the Klang Valley is set to rise to a much higher level, opening up opportunities, experiences, and connections in a multitude of ways. Given its magnitude and complexity, this infrastructure project will require massive resources, effort, and expertise to ensure a world-class system that we Malaysians can be proud of.